wat sy uitkom, toe het sy nie die polisie gesien.
When she came out from visiting a friend, she did not see the policeman.
En een polisie het na haar toe gegaan en haar voor haar gaan staan en haar dood geskiet.
The policeman just walked right up to her, stood in front of her and shot her dead, point blank.
That the call for the dismantling of apartheid and the removal of the Nationalist Party is more urgent than ever. We want to reaffirm our commitment to continue the struggle because it is these kinds of killings which make it more imperative for us, which make people like ourselves and the thousands of young people realize that it's not a question of progress, it's a matter of life and death. Thank you.